Ever wondered how to make your container garden thrive? Container gardening is an amazing, versatile way to cultivate your green thumb, regardless of your living space. It's not just for city dwellers or those with limited yard space. Today, we're going to share some fantastic hacks that will make your container garden flourish. First and foremost, the container is key. It's essential to choose wisely, factoring in the size, material, and drainage. The right container provides room for growth, protects against extreme temperatures, and ensures proper water management. Remember, a happy plant starts with a good home. Next, let's talk about soil. A good soil mix is crucial for container gardening. It must be light, well-draining, and rich in nutrients. Try combining compost, coir, and perlite in equal parts. With the right soil mix, your plants will have the nutrients they need to grow. Watering is where many gardeners go wrong. Proper watering is a delicate balance. Your container plants need enough to quench their thirst, but not so much they're swimming. Watch for wilted leaves, a sign of both over and underwatering. Remember, too much or too little water can harm your plants. Finally, placement matters. Your container's location is crucial. It needs a spot with just the right amount of sunlight. But remember, while sunlight is important, so is protection from harsh weather. Correct placement will ensure your plants get the light they need and stay protected. So there you have it. Simple hacks for a thriving container garden. We've covered choosing the right container, creating the perfect soil mix, watering adequately, and placing your container wisely. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips, and share your container gardening experiences in the comments below. Happy gardening!